Hey, biscuits. We're doing some dishes, deep soaking. And the sink is just so dirty. Oh my god. Oh. I left everything in to soak before I get washing, and it needs it. So I kind of triage when I have a bunch of big pots and pans and dishes to wash, what I'm going to clean, what needs to be soaked. Little plastic plates, forks, bowls, those tend to just get clean easily. You don't really need to soak them. They're kind of non-stick, I would say. So the pots and pans I fill up with hot water and soap and let those soak, and then I put all the sticky utensils and oatmeal bowls in there to soak as well. If you're running really low on time, you're like, Rose, I just don't have time to do all this soaking, you can put a bunch of dish soap in the pot or the pan, and then boil water in your electric tea kettle, and then pour that in. And generally then you just need like 2 minutes of a little soak. Kind of speeds things up. Oh, I'm going to put on some music. Get dancing. Because there is so much scrubbing to be done. Oh my goodness. So one of my hacks for cleaning bibs, because I clean those a lot, it's like feeding a tornado and then just kind of guessing where the food's going to go. But I soak it down with hot water, scrub it a little bit with the rough side of the sponge. Then I just use like the little head sprayer on the sink, spray it all off, and I hang it off of a handle on a cabinet, let it dry off. Just go easy on them, because I don't know, you don't want to destroy all the bibs. I don't know how sturdy they are I've never tried a dishwasher, a bib, but maybe that would be really handy. If you would like to see the full version of the video, you can pop on over to Patreon. I love hearing from you, kind of your reactions of, the difference between the YouTube versions and the Patreon full uncut edits. I like to hear your input on that. It always gives me chuckle because like, I didn't think that was gonna be in there, or I really like this added scene, and it delights me. Okay, my loves, you have helped me clean. I really appreciate you coming along while we clean together. I love hearing your emails. I love getting your Patreon messages. and your emails over on my OnlyFans page. That it's just fun to have a buddy to clean with. I really think that's true. It inspires me to get cleaning more, and I know that I just find it more relaxing. It's cozier this time of year when you get to clean together. I'll see you in the next video. Take giant internet hugs. Love y'all, biscuits.